Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a YouTube channel analyzer I built with n8n. I send the channel link in Telegram, any channel, mine, yours, a competitor's. 15 seconds later I get a report. Upload schedule, video launch, title pattern, whether the channel is growing and reaching to do next. Let me walk you through. It starts with a Telegram trigger, listening to my own bot. The next node with the link. YouTube has two URL type, a handle or a long channel ID starting with UC. This node work out which one I sent and pull it out. It saves my chat ID, the link type and the value. Then I check no YouTube link in the message. The workflow stops here until me no API calls. A message with no link should never cost a request. Now, the first API call. This one turned the link into a real channel. One trick worth copying. The API needs a different parameter name for each link type, so the parameter name itself is an expression. One node handle watch case. After the call, two separate checks. An API error gets its own message. A channel that simply doesn't exist gets a different one. A bad API key and a type should never look the same. Then this node keeps what I need: name, subscriber, video count, and upload playlist ID. Next, every channel has a hidden playlist holding all its uploads. This node reads it and takes the last 20. You could use the search endpoint instead. Don't. Search costs 100 quota unit and lags behind, so new uploads sometimes don't appear. The uploads playlist costs 1 unit and it's always current. Do the result give me one video ID only? No views, no title, I need a second call. The lazy way is to loop 20 times. Instead, this node collects all 20 IDs into one list, and the next call sends them together. The API takes up to 50 at once. 3 quota unit for the whole run. You get 1,000 a day. Next, this node turns the raw response into a clean number. Title, views, comments, likes, age in hours, launch in seconds, chapter count, and one more, views per hour. That's matter more than the total views. 500,000 views over 2 years is not a hit. 5,000 in 6 hours is. Total views tell you how old a video is. View per hour tell you how well it did. Then it all gets sorted and collected into one item, and we reach the baseline. Here is the key idea. Every video is compared to its own channel's median view per hour, not a fixed number. That's why this works on 200 subscribers and 20 million. 2 details: median, not average. One viral video would drag an average up and make everything else look like a failure. And videos under 48 hours all are excluded. Their views per hour is always inflated. I call the recurrency floor. Then this node builds everything else: days between uploads, days since the last one, views per 100 subscriber, short video versus long, chapter versus none, title per non-based and worst video. 17 numbers all from public data. And this flag is the one I care about most. If the channel's median is under 200 views, it turns true. Here is why. On a small channel, one video doubling another is about 7 people. That's not a pattern, but an AI will call it one, because you asked for a pattern. When the flag is true, the report says so at the top and stop using multiple. It still cover schedule, format, and title. Do the read fine at any size. It just won't pretend 7 people are a trend. Then a last check: under 5 usable video there is no baseline at all, and it says so. Every run is logged to sheets, so I can compare a channel to itself later. Then Gemini read the report: 5 sections, cadence, format, titles, trend, and what to do next. The rules at the end of this prompt to do real work. Gemini can't recompute a number, and every claim has to carry its figure. Long video do better is banned. Long video 11 uploads median 34 views versus short 4 uploads million 12 is required. VAG AI output is usually a VAG prompt. Now a real one. There is the report, schedule launch against views, title pattern, the trend, and reaction tied to number from the data. Look at the first line. It's telling me my numbers are too small to conclude anything, and showing me the median to prove it. Then it reports what it can stand behind. That's my favorite part of this build. It's easy to make a tool that always has an answer. It's harder to make one that admits when it doesn't. So, that's the whole thing. 25 nodes, no-code nodes, 3 API call per run. Workflows on my n8n profile, link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.